What's up, guys? Going to do a quick unboxing and initial impressions of the giant lifting Northland V4 open trap bar. I won this in a giveaway from the Garage Gym competition, so I have zero expectations, zero affiliation, zero invested into it, so this is literally going to be an honest review. So let's check it out, see what's going on here. Packaging looks pretty good. Lots of foam. Keep from getting banged around in transit. Nice. Nice. Looks like a chrome finish. And the rubber stoppers here, so the plates don't hit the bolts. That's nice. And another one. Wow. Nice powder coat. Looks smooth. These welds look really good, in my very unprofessional, very humble opinion. I'll post some pictures of this on Instagram. But yeah, it looks nice. Now these handles do spin. I believe they said they're going to ship out fixed handles. I've never used a trap bar with spinning handles before, so I'll be interested to see how the spin actually makes a difference in the lifting. But wow, this looks really, really good. And bolt kit and instructions. We don't need instructions. Boom. Simple enough. Again, I think those welds look pretty clean. Don't see anything that would warrant any concerns about structural integrity. Yeah, pretty nice. Again, there's the powder coat. Looks good. All right, let's load some plates up, see what happens. Pretty balanced. Feels nice. I can't tell the difference with the rotating handles. It's nothing major, not a deal breaker by any means. And again, I think the future versions are going to come out with the fixed handles, but yeah, feels pretty nice. Already hit legs today, so I think I'll wait until next week to test out the 800-pound capacity that's listed on the website. There you have a quick unboxing and first impressions of the giant lifting Northland open trap bar. Please let me know what questions you have down in the comments, and I appreciate you watching.